Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WISH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today because, as I pointed out in the video from Monday, that area right there had been behaving as a support right around 805, but then unfortunately this morning that level was broken and down the price went from there. But I go through all that because that brings about just a very the first key update that needs to be done, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now into not necessarily just Wednesday, but for the foreseeable future, 805 is going to be that initial area of resistance. So if the price does try to consolidate out and then start to curl back upwards, that's where the big question mark resides. Not necessarily in the sense of can the price get back up to the 805 mark, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So that'll be a very important level to watch moving forward from that resistance side of things. So watch that very, very closely. If the price can push up through that level, then from more of the overarching standpoint, you'll want to keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. So keep an eye on that, but one hurdle at a time. And again, that first key hurdle is going to be right there at 805. In terms of levels of support, at this point, nothing new here in terms of just simplicity, just asking yourself the question once again, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at $7.70. So that'll be the first key level to watch moving forward. But yeah, as of now, things are looking pretty shaky. But like I said, price did actually get some sideways movement, did actually show some upwards bouncing, but there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. So keep an eye on those dynamics moving forward. But if the price can get up through 805, then that doesn't guarantee anything, but that could certainly make this a very interesting situation over the next couple of days. So let's see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.